Dear students, today we will study grammar lesson number 5, articles and determiners. What are the determiners? Determiners are the words which are used before a noun to determine or indicate something specific or particular. There are different types of determiners. What are they? Article, demonstrative determiner, possessive determiner, interrogative determiner, distributive determiner, and quantifiers. First, let's discuss about the determiner article. As you know that a and n and the, these are the articles. Okay, let's discuss where should we use article A. Article A is used before singular countable nouns which begin with a consonant sound. Example, river, a book, a joke. Article A is used to show a kind or a class or species. A deer is a gentle animal. Sometimes article A is used to show rank, profession or community. For example, a nurse, a teacher, a Christian. Article N is used before singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns with vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. If the word starts from the letter A, E, I, O, U, before that we will use N. Here you see an umbrella, an egg, an ostrich. There are some words which begin with a consonant sound when written, but it sounds as the vowel in spoken. For example, honest man. Here H is silent. What we will pronounce it? Honest. Here H is silent. That's why we will use N. Honest man. Similarly, in case of R, airless, honorable, honorary, air, honest girl. For this, NR, an airless, an honorable man, an honorary member, an air, an honest girl. Next, some vowels. Written time, vowels will be there. It begins with the vowels, but spoken, it sounds as consonants. In that case, we will use A. These are some of the exceptions of the rule. Here you see European lady. Here U sounds as U, Y-O-O, sound it is coming. A one-eye note. 1 rupee note. Sorry. A 1 rupee note. W sound is coming as W. So before that A. University. U. Y-O-O-U. So here a university. Then union. So sounds as U. Y-O-O-U. A union. Then some of the abbreviations, if it sounds, if it start with consonant, but it will sounds as vowels, like that MP sounds as A, isn't it? So sounds as M, E-M-M. So MP, NMP, NMLA, NMLA, NMA. Okay. These are some of the exceptional cases. Then when should we use article the? The is the definite article. As you know that A and N are the indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Definite means when we are particular about any person or thing. These are the okay students. Here the is the definite article, and when we are particular about any person or thing we will use the. Okay, there are some rules where we will use the. When the name of any unique thing, there we will use the. Unique thing means here you see the earth, the sun, the sky, the moon. Sky, moon, earth, these are the unique things. Before that, the. In case of superlative degrees of adjectives, here you see the tallest building. Tallest is the superlative degree of tall. The youngest singer. Then, in case of first, third, last, next, only, and same. In these words, before that, we will use the first row, the third row, the next room, the same book. Okay. In case of the name of the river, sea, and ocean, before that, we will use. Okay, in case of the mountain ranges, before the mountain ranges, we will use the are the Himalaya, the Nilagiri hills. Before the aeroplane, train, ship also, we will use the. Before holy books like the Quran, the Upanishad, the Vedas, the Bhagavad Gita, before that, the all the holy books before the. With the newspapers, with the newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan, with the historical monuments like the Red Fort, the Golconda Fort, with the directions like the east, the west, and with the families, the Mehtas, the Guptas, the Gaudas, okay, with the countries like the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and before the adjective when it represents a class, the rich, the unprivileged, okay, before noun to show unit of measurement, then it will use for unit of measurement like such satin cloth is sold by the meter before the. Okay, so these are the rules where should we use the. Next, there is a possibility of repetition of the. Here you see the singer and the lyricist were present on the occasion. First sentence where the has been used twice speaks of two different persons. Here the singer, the lyricist. Here it shows the two different persons. Here we have to use the repeatedly in the sentence. Some cases where no articles will be used. Before name of substance or abstract noun. Substance means material noun or abstract noun. No articles will be used like sugar and beauty. Before most of the proper nouns like the country names, name of continent, name of countries and cities, India, China, America, before that the will not use. Before name of meal, before name of the meals, no articles will be used. The lunch, wrong. Before lunch, no articles. The dinner, wrong. Okay. Next, before the name of relations. Relations means your father, mother, brother, uncle, cousin, brother. Before that, no articles. With the plural nouns like children. Before, no articles. The plural noun which denote a class. When the plural noun denote a class, there no articles will be used. In case of the weekdays, months and seasons, no articles will be used. Monday, no articles. Monday, Sunday, before that, no articles. Months, January, February, March, before month's name, no articles. Season, summer, winter, rainy, before, no articles. In notices or headlines or emails also, we will not use any articles. Okay. Then, demonstratives. What are the demonstrative? Demonstrative articles are these, that, these and those. These are the demonstrative articles, and demonstrative articles will pointing out the person or object. Here this chair is not polished well. This is the demonstrative article. In case of singular, this and that. In case of plural, this becomes these, that becomes those. Okay. Possessive. Possessive pronouns. Possessives are the possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns are the possessive adjectives that show someone's possession, such as my, her, his, its, their, and are. These are the possessive pronouns. Quantifiers. Quantifier shows the quantity. It determines the number or quantity. The words which are the used as a quantifier are much, many, a few, most, cardinal numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. and none also. This is the example of quantifiers. When should we use many and several? Many and several, it suggests the number of the quantifiers. Okay. And much and little suggests the quantity, and these are used with uncountable nouns. Some and any suggest both quantity and number. Here, some and any can be used for interrogative sentences. A few suggests the quantity and it is used with countable nouns. Okay. Then we'll move to distributive pronouns. Distributives are those determiners that shows the distribution. It includes words like either, neither, each and every. Here, each will use in case of singular verb. Every will use in case of singular verb with a large number. Either will use for the singular verb like that. Any one of the two. Any one of the two. Each of the two. Okay. Neither means no one of the other. No one. Interrogatives. Interrogative pronouns are your double H words like what, whose, which, how much, and how many. These are the double H words. These are the interrogative determiners. These determiners helps to ask questions. Okay, this is the all about the lesson pronouns. Next class we will discuss another lesson. Thank you.